So I'm just showing my ugly website that I started off with, and hopefully it will inspire somebody. Because Andy asked the question. I don't know why it's not bringing up the suggestion, so I have to type the whole thing out. He asked the question: is the game plan to pretty much just, start with the best you can with what you got and then improve on it? And the answer to that is obviously yes. That is exactly what you want to do. And I'll show you a version of what I did, starting with what I had and what I could work with, and then going from there. So this is 2018.
Real quick question. So is this a free website to do the archive?
The Wayback Machine. Yeah, this.
Yeah.
Yeah, yep. You can just go there right now and you look at a snapshot of
Yeah.
a website back before it was updated a couple times. That's what this is. This was what I started with, guys. This is what I built on June the 30th, 2017.
Cool.
Big old red telephone. Call now to save $35. Got the
Should have made that a little bit bigger.
Oh, what's up, Donnie? See, couldn't make
going,
that.
man?
It's going good, brother. Good to have you join us. So this little logo, per se, quote unquote, I grabbed from Google. It's a free image from Google. Same here, free image from Google. And I just threw it together, chose a tagline, had a little video on the side there. Best rates available in Nashville. See, that's who I was marketing to, price shoppers. Dryer Vent is a fully assured 5-star rated company. Dryer Vent had a video down here, little contact form. Nothing on the right side, as you can see. Bare bones on the right. Some of these pictures won't load right now, but there was some pictures right here. There were some pictures right there. And service area, just bare bones. And we could what's so cool about the Wayback Machine is like we can literally click around just like this is the actual website. It just saves an archive of all of the pages on a website, so that if you want to do something like this, go back and see what it looked like before you updated it, and you can look at it. But what's so crazy? Well, let me ask this. On a rating of 1 to 10, how good is that website to you? Drop it in the chat just to see. I want to see what everybody thinks. This isn't really showing up too well, but so I'm gonna just go back to the home page. On a rating of on a scale of 1 to 10, it looked decent, but it all says Trevor is all about data for the SEO.
Is 1 the best or 10 the best?
Oh, 10's the best. I appreciate that, Trevor. I guess it's James says 3.5. That's about right. William 4.9. All right. Dottie 5. Okay. 5 is decent. Eric gives it a 4. It is better than nothing. I agree with that. Justin 2.5.
I give it a 5 only because I couldn't do that well myself. So
okay.
I had to.
Hey, like they say, beauty is in the eyes of the beholder, right?
And funny, like I say, the SEO thing, it's like, it's so strange with websites and everything. It's like one could look not as clean on the front end, but if you have like all that back end data, it's like that's what I've struggled with my website through the years. It's like sometimes I've had a beautiful looking website, but then I have like no meta tag data or like this or that. Like SEO is crazy work,
Yep.
but I've had clean websites that performed bad, and then not as clean websites performed decent. You know.
Exactly, exactly. And that's a great point. And what's so interesting is although I drew this website together and did the best I could, I was able to optimize it pretty good as far as the search engine goes and rank it pretty quickly. And it did the job. It got the job done. And it got us leads and customers. It actually got compliments too. Every once in a while, people be like, I love your website, all the pictures and videos. It's a great website. And every time I would get that, so it would surprise me. You know what I mean? Because to me, this is as mad gets. And of course, current website, just as a comparison. I don't know why it's requiring me to do this. I don't want to type all this out. This is the current website. I did not build this website. I wrote all the content, but I had it professionally designed. So this is the difference between an amateur and a professional. So anyway, to answer your question, yes.
So do you continue? So you continually update it then? Do you do that, or as far as like the SEO stuff?
So yeah, so with SEO, I mean, you can try different things out, but the main thing is if you do it right, you pretty much don't need to update it too much, especially in an industry like this. So like there's different types of things that you can do. You can do blog posts if you want to. Blog posts help you with multiple things. It helps you gain it, maintain your ranking, maintain an edge on the marketplace, because Google does like to see content being put out on a regular basis. So we do have a blog, but I haven't blogged on this for about 3 or 4 years now. I haven't posted content on there on here for over 3 years. When was this posted? This was the last one. I don't know if it has a date on it or not. Yeah, so this is October 9th, 2022. That's the last blog post. But if you're trying to gain an edge over your competitors and you're not first place yet, these are things that you can do. Putting more content on your website. Content is king when it comes to marketing. And Google loves to see rich, helpful, good, well-written content. But I mean, once you're there, like once you've outdone your competitors, and Google is giving you some Google love, you don't really have to do anything else. Like once it's there, you're good.
Good old Google
for the
love.
most part. Sometimes you have to keep it up. Sometimes you might get leapfrogged every once in a while. But for the most part, once you're there and you're really, you've staked your flag, it's not much you have to do for maintaining. Go ahead, William.
Oh no, I'm saying good old Google love.
Google
That's a
love.
very great term.
Yep. Yep. So anyways, welcome to the Q&A Accelerator. We got a nice crew tonight. I hope you enjoyed this conversation. If you're getting started in your business and you want to see how we're helping new dryer vent cleaning business owners get off to a great start for free, click the link in the description below and take the test drive. Or don't, and just keep binge watching Dusty Lint videos. Whatever makes you happy.